Understanding guitar frets. A guide for beginners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the term guitar fret. Whether you're a budding guitarist or just curious about musical instruments, understanding this concept is key. Let's dive into what guitar frets are and why they're important in playing the guitar. A guitar fret refers to the metal strips embedded along the fretboard of a guitar. These frets divide the neck into fixed segments at intervals related to a musical framework. When you press a string against the fretboard, it shortens the vibrating length of the string, producing different pitches. Each fret represents one semitone in the Western musical scale, allowing guitarists to play various notes and chords. Frets are essential for producing accurate and consistent pitches. They help in creating different notes. By pressing the string at different frets, you change the pitch of the note. Ease of play. Frets provide a visual guide and tactile feedback to players, especially beginners. Musical expression. They allow for techniques like bending notes, playing chords, and creating melodies. There are different types of frets, each offering a unique playing experience. Standard frets, most common and suitable for general playing. Jumbo frets, larger and taller, allowing for more control over string bending and vibrato. Scalloped frets. The wood between frets is scooped out, enabling more string bending and a lighter touch. Proper maintenance of frets is crucial for the longevity of a guitar. It involves regular cleaning, to remove dirt and oils that can corrode the frets. Polishing, to keep them smooth and free of rough spots. Fret dressing, leveling and re-crowning frets that become worn down over time. Understanding guitar frets is fundamental for anyone interested in playing or understanding guitars. They are not just physical parts of the instrument but key to its musicality and playability. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and functionality of guitar frets. Happy strumming and see you in the next video.